You're learning.
We built this shit, and so
It was new back then. It wasn't like now. It was brand new.
me acuerdo que I remember they were on.
What?
I don't know what they were building. We're getting ready to build this ranch from almost skinny wood.
Damn.
From construction sites. They picking from.
Yo, there was a
I don't know if it's still there.
before this accident, there was a car on the side like this. That's like a chain reaction. That does barely happen right now because there's no ambulance, no nothing. That's fucking crazy right there. For real, damn. Yeah, I just saw about car accidents like when it rains, you know, like motherfuckers be they don't even worry about the rain, they just be hauling ass and all that. Like, well, you can't do that. Damn, hey, another wipeout. What the hell? Hey, another wipeout. What the fuck, man? Is it barely right now, huh? It's a bump right there. What the fuck? What's going on over here? That just barely happened. Damn, that's the third one. The third one in less than 30 minutes. Oh, there's the cops. There you go. You just turn it on. You just turn on the sirens. It just barely happened right now. Turn on the sirens. Damn, what the fuck? Hey, I tell you, this rain, man. Yeah, I went live stream. I said like, hey, it's either gonna like, there's not gonna be no cars out here. People are not gonna go out because it's cold, or it's gonna be nothing but car accidents. And you know what? It's a lot of car accidents. Hey, yo, it's not even 8 o'clock. It's already been a crazy ass morning and rainy California. Rainy California, IA. Yeah, slow down. Probably another car accident. That's gonna be the fourth one. Definitely, I have a feeling I'm gonna see at least 5 car accidents. At least one more for sure. 5, like the top, probably like 6. This is a motherfucking trip here. Is there another one? See fire truck over there. This is within the hour of all the other car accidents. Oh yeah, it's fire truck. I can't see it, but yeah, shitload of traffic. I was gonna assume it's another car accident. Shitload of traffic on the other side of the freeway. Yo, a couple miles down the road, look at this. Definitely was a car accident. Right here on the 91. No, I'm back 215. Passing UCR. Oh shit. Look at it, un gran disaster. 215, like, yeah, starting over here. Gonna be the 5th accident of the day. Oh yeah, there's broken parts and all that.
Where's the car?
Right there. He's still in there. No, he crashed. He crashed in the middle of the divider.